everyone. Good evening, respected chief guests, MD sir, principal ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Welcome to the most awaited celebration of this year, our annual function 2025. I am Muhammad and I am thrilled to be your host of this special segment.
And I am Zainab. Thank you all for joining us today. Before moving ahead, let's take a moment to talk about something very special and important, that's time.
Yes, the importance of time is the topic that speaks to everyone, whether you are a teacher, student or professional. So let's explore this topic. दिल किया, दर्द किया, जान किया. दिल किया, दर्द किया, जान किया है मैंने. अच्छे अच्छों को परेशान किया है मैंने. और इतना मगरूर न बन, मुझे वक्त कहते हैं. और इतना मगरूर न बन, मुझको समय कहते हैं. बादशाहों को भी गुलाम किया है मैंने.
Yes, Muhammad. Tell me what is time?
Okay, Zainab. Time is the only resource that is equally given to all. A 24 hours of a day. But how we use it, it defines our future. But can you tell me why is time important?
Yes, I can. Because once it's gone, it never comes back. Time lost is opportunity lost.
So Zainab, can you tell me, can we control a time?
No, we can't control our time, but we can control to our action within time. That's called time management. Now tell me, what happens when we waste time?
Zainab, when we waste our time, we fall behind, we miss our goals, and sometimes we miss our dreams.
So friends, let's respect time, use it wisely, and make each moment count.
So, with that thought, let's move with another topic. That is, इस तरह हौसले आजमाया करो, मुश्किलें देखकर मुस्कुराया करो. इस तरह हौसले आजमाया करो, मुश्किलें देखकर मुस्कुराया करो. भले 2 रोटियां कम ही खाया करो, अपने बच्चों को लेकिन पढ़ाया करो.
Now, we are going to talk about something very special and important, that is education.
Yes, education. Education is not just about books. It helps us to become good human beings. It helps us to grow, think better, and make good choices in life.
Yes, Mohammed, you are right. But tell me, why is education so important?
Good question, Zainab. Education gives us knowledge and skills. It helps us to become confident and more independent.
Yes, Mohammed, that's true. And without education, can we get good jobs?
Not really, Zainab. Education opens the door to the better job and brighter future.
I agree. Now another question, can education help reduce poverty?
Yes, Zainab, it can. When people are educated, they can earn better, they can live better, and they help others too. Let's all remember, education is the most powerful tool we have. Education is not for life, education is life.
It means शिक्षा जीवन के लिए नहीं है, शिक्षा ही जीवन है. But why do some people think girls don't need education?
Zainab, because of overthinking, some people believe that girls should only do housework, but that's not true at all.
Exactly. Girls can become doctors, teachers, students, even leaders if they get proper education.
Zainab, do you know what happens when a girl gets educated?
Yes, I know. She becomes strong, confident and independent. She can take care of herself and her family.
So Zainab, tell me, what can we do to support a girl child education?
We can encourage every girl to go to school, stop early marriages and speak up if we see girls and being denied education. Let's promise today to support and respect every girl's right to freedom.
So let's respect education and help everyone, including those who can't afford to learn. Because when we educate a girl, we can change the world. पढ़ना लिखना सीखो और मेहनत करने वालों. पढ़ना लिखना सीखो और भूख से मरने वालों. पढ़ना लिखना सीखो और मेहनत करने वालों. पढ़ना लिखना सीखो और भूख से मरने वालों. का खा गा की को पहचानो और अलिफ को पढ़ना सीखो. आ ई को हथियार बनाकर लड़ना सीखो. Now we are moving to our next topic, that like that. तुम्हारी हर मुश्किलों का एक समाधान हूँ, तुम्हारी हर तकलीफों का मुकम्मल जवाब हूँ। कभी वक्त मिले तो पढ़ना मुझे, मैं भारत का संविधान हूँ।
Yes, Mohammed. Can you tell me what is fundamental right?
Yes, Zainab. Fundamental rights are the basic human rights enshrined in the Constitution of India, which are guaranteed to citizens applied without discrimination of caste, religion, caste, etc. Zainab, tell me how many fundamental rights are there in the Constitution of India?
There are